Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Yasmin Rahmafatia and I'm here to create a tutorial website using Tailwind CSS 3. So first you have to have a blank folder. First you go to the website from tailwindcss.com and then go to the docs, and then we're gonna do several steps to install this install Tailwind CSS. And first you have to make sure that you already download Node and npm. And right now we're gonna do the first one. We're gonna make a new file and name it as index.html. If you're done, we're gonna add exclamation point as usual, and then you have to wait like this, the format, enter, and rename it as your title, like portfolio Tailwind CSS, like this. And then you have to go to terminal. You can go to view and then go to terminal, or you can just do control and backtick like this, tick backtick. And you have to do this first, like npm init, like this. But first I want to type it like npm init -y, enter, and then you got a file with the name package.json if you do it right. And you have already have a file with package.json, and then we're gonna type npm right here. We're gonna type npm install -d tailwind css, like this, or you can just copy right here like this. Just wait a second, and then we can just copy this one, or you can copy like every time, like what is it called, you can just copy from the start, and then if it's done you can just paste it. See, it's, and if it's done you can just paste it, or you can just type npx tailwind css init for the installation. And if it's done you can go right here again and then scroll, and we're gonna make some folder with src and input.css. Okay, you can just close it, not to delete but close, and then making file src slice input.css, like this. Okay, if it's done you can just copy that right here. It's okay if it's yellow. And in tailwind.config.js we're gonna do this in content at index.html, because it will like see the difference. Just save, and we go to index. We're gonna see what to do more. Then if it's done we're gonna add this to build the process. So we build the process. We're gonna do control tick back again, and then just paste the, it's already done, and you can just close. And you can download several extensions like show preview, like here, and open with live server. It's like live server, like here. And we're gonna test with h1 with hello world, like this. You have to make in below the title we're gonna add link, tag link, and then the ref is we just use this right here, the output CSS that the Tailwind make for us, like this. And then you can save, and it's already changed. Yes, because it's already in tailwind, like this. Hello world. It's just us, and then yeah, we're gonna make several, like you can just delete this and config. We're gonna make in the theme. For making as easy, I'm gonna do container because it's really important. Container, and then I'm gonna add the center is true, like this, and then comma, and the padding is 16 pixel, and comma, and right here you need comma too. And then in extend, we're gonna have several colors that, like, we have a root for that, so colors, and then like this, enter. And first we have primary, and we're gonna add from here, from the tailwind. Just scroll right here, scroll, and find the colors right here, and I'm gonna choose what colors that I want. I just wanna do right here 8B 5C F6. This is my primary color in violet 5000. Yeah, we're gonna copy and paste it right here like this, and don't forget the comma. This is the first, and the second is secondary, for secondary colors. And I'm gonna scroll it, and I wanna do this gray 5000, and just copy and paste it right here, then comma again, and then I wanna make the dark. This is important too, and I'm gonna choose this for the dark gray 9000. Just copy and paste it right here like this, and then don't forget the comma, and comma right here too. And then I want to do some for screens, and yeah, like in 2XL, it's 103,020 pixel right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just save, and yeah, we go back to the index, and we're gonna like for the comment first. It's for hero section. So in hero section, we're gonna add hero section start, and just copy for the end like this. Then we're gonna make section tag with id home and class like padding top 36 like this, and just enter and enter again. Okay, so we're gonna make div clash with container like this, making it easy like this. And then I want to make flex div with flex and flex wrap like this, and then make div again, but the width is full, and then self center, and then padding for the x is 4, and when it's LG, the width is 1. This is half, yeah, right here, and you can just enter and enter again. I want to make h1 tag like this. Hello everyone, my name is like this. Hello everyone, my name is, you can just type your name like this, but because I want to make this different, want to make my name different, so we're gonna use span, like this span, and just add this to right here, so it's going to be different. So if it's done, I want to make this as in class, and the text is base and font semi-bold, and then text primary that we made before, and if it's in medium, the text is going to be XL, like this. You can just save and reload like this. You can see, right, because the span doesn't work. Yeah, and for the span, we're gonna do class 2 class, and we're block for its go down right here. It's gonna go down, and then the font is bold, and then the text is dark as we made before, and it's for Excel for make it bigger, and for margin top we're gonna add 1, and for if it's LG I'm gonna make it like text, it's getting bigger like 5XL. You can save and refresh like this, right? If it's done, I'm gonna make the other one like H2, and then I'm gonna make like right below student college, and like this. And for the H2 we're going to do the class with the font is medium, and then the text is secondary, and the text is LG large, I mean. And for margin bottom, I'm gonna do margin bottom 5, and if it's LG I'm gonna make it like text 2XL. We can make it prettier first, and then in H2, and I want to make the paragraph like making website is easy, right, like this. And I'm gonna do span for right, like this. And for the class, for for the class right here, the font is medium, and then text secondary 2, and margin bottom 10, reading relax like this. And if it's done, I will make in span for the span like class, and the text is primary, and the font is semi-bold like this. Yeah, just that, like this. And then below here I'm gonna make anchor tag, and for the ref is just this, and we're gonna make it like contact me like this. We're gonna add the class, the text is base, like base tag, base, and font semi-bold, and the text is white, and the background is primary like this. And then for padding Y is 3, for padding X is 8, and it's full rounded. And then if we click, so we're gonna add hover, shadow LG, shadow large, and then gonna hover, and the opacity is like 1880, and transition, and the duration is 300 with ease and is in out. I'm gonna save, make it pretty, and you can refresh, and we got this. Okay, if it's done, I'm gonna make the other div right here. I'm gonna make the width is full. This is for the image with full self n, and for padding X is 4. For if it's okay, just this, like this, enter, and we're gonna do class with margin top 10, and it's relative. And then if it's LG, no, just like this, enter. And right here, if it's LG, we're gonna do the width is half, because it's like right here, and the image is right there, like that. And then right here, if it's LG, we're gonna do the same thing. No, it's going to the right, like 0, like this. You can just save, and right here I'm gonna make the image for the tag, and we just use the alt as my name, just like this. And for the src, I have this photo, like we call this image, and I'm gonna save, and I already erased the background. Yeah, okay, for the alt. And then we're going to add the class for the image, max with full, like this. And then margin X is auto, like this. And down here we're gonna add with span, and I want to add from, you can go to, we're gonna add this in the background. You can search it, block maker app, and you can just choose what you want. You can go like this, and just click this, like this, and then copy SVG to clipboard, and you can go right here. You're gonna add the SVG in the span right here, like this. And then in the span, I want to make it like it's absolute, because it's right here, it's relative, so we make it absolute. And the bottom is 10, and the Z index, we make it minus Z, minus 10 right here. And left is a half, like this, half. And then minus translate x1 half 2, and if it's in the medium size, the scale will be like 1 to 5, like this. We're gonna save, and right here we can add the scale, not 100, no, the scale is 1.1, like this. Span, you can save, and yeah, width is this, make, and the height is 4002, like this, like this. It's primary, right? And like this, you can save, you can refresh, and this is the result. This is the example, quite different. This is the result, and we're gonna continue for the header. We can just close the section in hero to make it simple like this, and right here I'm gonna make it like header start and like this, and we make header tag. This one we can enter, and from the field we're gonna do container again, enter. I'm gonna flex, enter, and in flex I'm gonna do item center, and then justify between and relative, because yeah, and then we're gonna make the class with padding x4, and then right here I'm gonna add anchor tag, and the ref is home right here, and it's my name. I'm gonna use my name like this. This is home, and make the class is the font is bold and text large, and then text primary and block, and then padding y is 6 like this. And for the header I'm gonna make the class 2. For me the background is transparent, and then absolute, the top is 0, the left is 0, and the width is full, and flex, item flex with item center, and z is 10 like this, and you can fill out, and you can see right here. Okay, this is the anchor tag and div and anchor tag. We're gonna make div again with flex, enter, make it item center 2, and padding x is 4 like this, and right here I'm gonna add button tag with enter. This is for burger right here. I'm gonna add ID. We have no in button, but in span. I'm gonna add span, enter, no, in the button. I'm gonna make the ID is hamburger, and for the name is hamburger, and for the type is button, and class block, absolute, right 4, and if it's in large I'm gonna make it hidden like this. You can save, but it won't come out because we won't add the line. So in span right here the class is hamburger line, and the transition is just transition. The duration is 300 and is in out. This is the origin top left like this, origin top left, and we can pass the alt if down 3 times and just erase it. No. And for this it's origin bottom left. You can save, it's gonna come out. It's for the button. And after button, we're gonna add nav for the navigation. Just enter, and we're going to make wall, enter, and Lee, and in Lee, we do anchor tag, and the first Lee is the ref is home, like this, and we just type home, like this, and then we're gonna make the class for this. Class is text base, and then the text is dark, and then padding Y is 2, then margin X is 8, and then we're gonna flex and group hover. Hover is text primary, like this, and delete is we're gonna make it class for group, like this, just group, make it group, and for the wall, the class is block. You can see right here, we can hover with the primary color block. If it's LG, and it's flex, and yeah, like this. Like this, and then for this, I'm gonna copy for like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we're gonna add home, and then about. This is the page that we're gonna make about, and then this is portfolio, like this, and then clients and blog, and the last is contact, like this. And then for the nav, I'm gonna make it like the ID is nav menu, and then the class is hidden, then absolute, and padding Y is 5, the background is white, and then shadow LG, rounded LG is large, and then the max is not 0, but I'm gonna add 250 pixel, and then the width is full, and right 4, and then top 4, and then if it's LG, it's block, and if it's LG, the static, and if it's LG, the background is transparent, and then if it's LG, the max width is full, like this, and then if it's LG, the shadow is none, and then if it's LG, the rounded is none. And save and refresh, like this. it's gone. Yeah, see right here, you can see like this, right? This is the navigation, and this is home. We're gonna do about next, and we can make it smaller with inspect. We want to add the hamburger. This is in this. I'm gonna make like for JavaScript for the next. I'm gonna make a file gs slice script.js like this. And we're gonna do hamburger and the nav bar fix. Okay, I'm gonna make the hamburger first. Hamburger like this, and then make cons hamburger equal document dot query selector, and that's hamburger like this. And we can use this. And we're gonna do the same thing for the nav bar. We're gonna do nav menu, and it's from search it nav menu. And for the hamburger too, like this, and then the hamburger add even listener. Going to action is click, no, click, and the function. I'm gonna do hamburger dot class list, no, yes, class list, and dot toggle, and hamburger active like this. And then for the nav menu dot class list, then dot toggle, and it's hidden like this. If it's done, you can just add the JavaScript in below the index to make script, and the source is this JS script JS like this, right? Okay, then we're gonna continue for the nav bar and script. We can add right here. Nav bar fix for window on scroll. If it unscroll, the function is can like this. Then the cons is header. Font header equal document dot query selector, and it's header, and then cons it's fix nav. The header is offset up, and then if the window is page y offset, we're going to do fix nav like this, and then the header class list add nav bar fix nav bar fix like this, and then else is header dot class list remove the nav bar fix. like this. Then save. Index. The hamburger ones come out. We make in input CSS. Right here, we're gonna make the nav prefix that we called before. Nav prefix is add apply fix like this, and z is 9999. The background is white, and then the background opacity is 70 like this, and then backdrop filter with blur 5px, and then the box shadow is in set, and then 0-1 pixel 0, and then RGBA 0.2 like this. And then for the hamburger, this is hamburger line, apply, width is 30 pixel, with height is 2 pixel, and then margin Y is 2 and it's block, and the background is dark. Oh no, dark like this. And then for hamburger active, is span this is child 1, and it's already yeah, it's such a cool burger. And then for this you can enter, and for apply we're gonna make it rotate like minus 45, and save like this, and you can see like this minus, yeah, this is for, we can just paste it like this. And for the second is we can type the scale is 0 because it will gone, and for this we're gonna minus save. It's for the third, yeah, we can no like this. It's already done, and it's really cute, right? Like this. Okay, it's done for all of it. Right here is home, yeah. And then we're gonna do next is hero section is done, and then we're gonna make about section. About section start, and we're gonna make section again, section with ID about. If you ask for what the ID is for, we call in right here. We can just click, and the class is padding top is 36, and then the padding bottom is 32. Enter. Then we're gonna do container as usual, container and flags, enter, then with full, enter, and then in flags we're gonna do flags wrap for rapid, yeah, flags wrap And then in full, we're gonna do padding X is 4, and margin bottom is 10, and if it's LG, it's going to the right. The width is 1.2 half, like this. And then right here, we're gonna make H4. We're gonna make it about me, like this. And then H2, it's like let's practice web programming in IDN, like this. You can save and refresh to see in the below, like this. And then I'm gonna add the paragraph and just learn 20 like this, and yeah, like this. And then I'm gonna make it class first. For about me, the class is, the font is bold, and then the text is dark, and no, it's not dark. Font bold, and then it's uppercase. You can save and reload right here, like this. It's uppercase. And then text is primary, and then the text is LG or large, and then my margin bottom is 3. You can save and see for the above, like this. And for H2, we're going to add class. The font is bold, and then the text is dark, and then text with more bigger, 3XL, and then margin bottom is 5, and then max width is XL, like this. And then if it's large, the text will get bigger for XL, like this. You can save and see right here. It's going bigger like this. And then for the paragraph class, the font is medium, and then the text is base, and then the text is secondary, and max XL. And if it's large, the text is large, like this. You can save and see again, like this. And then below down the div, we're gonna make the other div with full, like this. And then we're gonna make H3. And with full, the padding X is 4, and if it's large, it's go half, like this, half. And for H3, we're going to let's be friend, like this. And we're gonna do paragraph 2. We just use Lauren, and Lauren like 13, like this. And for H3 is the class is, the font is semi bold, and then the text is dark, and then the text is 2XL, and then margin bottom is 4. And then if it's large, then the text is getting bigger, it's 3XL. And then if it's large, the padding top is 10, like this. You can see right here, like this. Okay, let's be friend, just like that. And for paragraph, the class is, the font is medium, and then text base, and then text secondary, and then margin bottom is 6 for space, and then if it's large, the text will go large too. And then in below that that paragraph, I'm gonna make a new div, like flex, enter, and right here I'm gonna add like this. Okay, this is for be friend with each other, flex, and for the items is center, and this is for YouTube, right? And then enter. We're gonna add the anchor tag like this, and have just type this first. YouTube. No, it's for the anchor tag just like this. Okay, and we're gonna search the icon right here in website. You can search YouTube. Like this. I want just like this. And you can embed and copy. And then like this. We're going to add an anchor tag like this, just paste it like this, and then in ref you can like HTTPS, you can add your YouTube channel or anything like that, like this, and the target is blank, so it will change the page. And then the class is, but first you can see right here, the class is, the width is 9 and the height is 9, and then margin right is 3, rounded 4, and then justify center, and then item center, and then for border secondary, and then we're gonna hover, it's border primary, and then hover, the background is opacity, no, the background is primary too, and if it's hover, so the background is white, like this. You can see right here, it will come out because you didn't add here. Okay, oh, the text is white, I confused. Okay, so then right here, what would I do is right here, the width is 20, and then yeah, go like this, and the height is 22. You can add class that field current. It's already done, but we can change the role as image. What will happen? Nothing's gonna happen. gonna erase the height. I'm going to see right here. Like this. How to fix it? Again. Fill current. Yeah. 2 right here. 1.5. And 5. Okay, that's already done right here. And I'm gonna copy the anchor tag or with, okay, so we're gonna close this first and add right here. So I'm gonna make it Instagram, and we're gonna search for Instagram. You can copy, and right here you can open and change this like this. Then we're going to add the height is gone. I'm going to add class, fill current, and then like this. If it's 1, what will happen? Just 1, 2, 1.2, no, 1.5. Yeah, it's okay like this. And the role is image. The width is, yeah, like this. 0.5. And then this you can just, no, patch. So how about 22? Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna change this like this. Okay, it's already done. I just need these two, and then yeah, you can see right here. Okay, it's done. And then we're gonna close it first, the section, and we make the new section for portfolio. And then gonna add the section with ID portfolio and class padding top 36. This is for all, and padding bottom 32. Like it's, yeah, like that, and yeah, like this and that. And for the background, we're going to do purple 100 like this. And right here we're gonna make the div container and that, and then with full with px. Oh no, you can just, no, it's okay. With full px, we can see right here. No, it's different. With full and px4 like this and that. and then I'm gonna make the div width max XL, and margin X is auto, and then the text center, and then margin bottom is 16. Okay, after that we're going to make H4 for portfolio. Yep, like this, portfolio, and then H2 for new project, like this, and then paragraph just like this. Okay, like this, and then we make the class, the font is semi-bold, and then the text is large, and then the text is primary, margin bottom 2, like this. For H2 is the font is bold, and then the text is dark, and then text 3XL, and then margin bottom for small. If it's small, then the text will get bigger. It will be 4XL, and then if it's large, no, it's large, the text is 5XL, like this. You can reload and see right here, it's the different background, right? It's already done. You can just like this, it's getting bigger and more bigger. And then for the paragraph, the class is font medium, and then the text is medium, and text secondary. If it's in medium, the text will go large, like this. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna make the other div with class okay, and that, and make rounded medium, rounded medium, like this. This is with full with px4, and it's flex, this flex, and then flex wrap, and then justify center. This is for the image, justify center, and then if it's XL, and then the width is like 10/12, like this. And then if it's XL, the margin X is auto, like this. And then right here, the shadow is medium, and then the overflow hidden, like this. And then I'm gonna add image, like this. And I'm going to add my portfolio. And I already have this portfolio, and for this, I'm gonna search this image portfolio 1, like this, like this. And then yeah, then we're going to add the width is, oh no, right here, not right here, right here. Width is width full, like this. And then it's already right here. This is rounded and has shadow. And if it's done, I'm gonna make H3 right here for the landing page. You can add anything like you want. And then for the paragraph, it's just like this. Like this. And then gonna add oh yeah, before this div, I'm gonna make the other div with the margin bottom is 12, and then the padding is 4, like this. And I'm going to put it, where should I put? Oh, this is this div first, like this. Yep, like this. And then if it's in medium, the width is 1, oh no, 1.2, like this. Okay, so it's already like this. And for h3, I'm gonna add class is, the font is semi-bold, and then the text is XL, and then the text is dark, and margin top 5, and margin bottom 3, like this. Okay, it's already done like this. And then for the paragraph, the font is medium, and then the text is base and text secondary, like this. You can see it's already done like this. You can see right here. Refresh. This is okay, like this. We're gonna see the example. Yes, like this. Okay, so and then I want to close this, and okay, right here, and just copy 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. And this is the portfolio 1. This is portfolio 1. This is portfolio 2. 2 with like e-commerce, and then this is portfolio 3. This portfolio 3 with, you can see right here, technical documentation and tribute page. Technical documentation, like this. And for the last is tribute page 4, like this. Okay, it's done. I'm going to see right here. Okay, like this. It's already done. And then we're going to client section. Okay, you can click like this. Let's scroll right. We're going to make client. We can close this and make the other. Next section with ID, clients, and class, and bing bing 32 as usual. And we make container like this. Okay, right here the background is gray, 300, like this. And for the container, okay, and that, then make the div with 4 and padding x4, and then max, not max, it's margin x is auto, and this is margin x auto, and the text is center, and then margin bottom is 16, and then right here the text is large, and then text primary, margin bottom 2, okay, like this. And then it's for, oh, I'm wrong, guys. You can just copy the class and erase it, the div 2, and make it h4, and you can pass to the class right here, and it's type clients. You can see right here, clients. Then we're gonna make h2, it's have work with have worked with me, and the paragraph is just like this. Okay, it's done. We're gonna add class for h2. The font is bold, and then the text is white. It's alright, and then the text is 3XL, like this, and then margin bottom 4. If it's in small, you're gonna text like that bigger, 4XL, and then if it's large, it's 5. The text is 5XL, like this. You can see right here. And then for the paragraph is the font is medium, and then the text is medium, and then the text is secondary, the color is secondary. Then if it's in medium, the text is large, like this. Okay, so yeah, that's the result. And then we're going to make a new div right here, class web flow, and padding x is 4, and then make a new div with flex wrap, and item center, justify center, and then we're going to add the anchor tag for the client, and we just type, just add the image right here, image. The ref is just this, and we're going to call it this image client Google, like this. You can see right here, it's so cool. And the alt is, we just type Google, and we're going to add the class. It's max with 120 px, and then margin x is 4, padding y is 4, So we make the grayscale. The opacity is 60, like this. And then transition, the duration is just 5,500, I mean. And then we're gonna, if we're gonna hover, the grayscale is 0, and then as we hover, the opacity is 100, like this. And then if it's large, the margin X is 6, and if it's XL, the margin X is 8. This save and then refresh, and it's already like this. Okay, you're done. And we can just copy for that tree. Just copy the anchor tag like this, okay? So it's not Google, and it's here, and then the alt is, and the last is Shopee, like this. You can save and see. It's Instagram, and it's already done like this in, and right here is like this. It's going to be 4, and then we enter to block section. The other section, it's like this, and like this. The next section with ID blog. Then for class, it's look like portfolio. You can just see first. Yeah, you can just copy this, it's look like it's the same blog, and then the padding top is 36, the padding button is 32, and then my container, and then copy that you pasted that you copied before, like this. We're going to change like right here. The background is primary. No, it's purple 100. Okay, it's cute. And then we're gonna rename it as blog, and then write recently, like this. Then we're going to change this, okay, like this, to make it different. And then we're going to make a new div right here, flex, and then flex wrap, like this, and then make the other div with full, and then padding X is 4. When it's large, the width is 1, 2, like half, and then if it's XL, the width is 1 and 3, like this. And then we're going to make the background white, make the other div, the background is white, and then rounded XL, and then shadow large, overflow hidden, and then margin bottom is 10. Okay, like this, and then we're going to add the image for blog. We're going to make the folder in this again for blog. Okay, we already have a blog right here, and then we just call the image tag, and then the source is, we just call it this blog 1. The alt is like programming, like this, and then we're going to add the classes with full, and then we make div again, and below that we're gonna make the other div for the h3. So padding y is 8 and padding x is 6, like this. Don't forget this. And then I'm gonna make h3, and in h3 I'm gonna make the anchor tag. So the ref is just this, and I'm gonna type like tips learning program, just like this, and then I'm gonna get this paragraph with just like this, and then in tag and then in paragraph we're going to add the tag anchor tag again, so it can, like, you can click like that, and I'm gonna type like read more, like this, like this. You can see right here it can be clicked because it's with anchor tag. This is 2, this is not. Okay, then we're going to style the anchor tag right here. So it's block, and then the font is semi-bold, and the text is XL, and then text dark. If we hover, we're going to the text primary, and we're going to add truncate like this. And then for the paragraph, I'm gonna style with the font is medium, and then the text is base, and text secondary with margin bottom 6. You can see right here. So why I add truncate right here? Because if it's too longer, then it will make like a dot. So you can see right here, like this. You can see, right? Okay. So it's the read more. I want to. Okay, just that, and I want to style the read more class. The font is medium, and then the text is small, and the text is white because the background is primary, like this. And then padding y is 2, and then padding x is 4, like that. And then rounded full, like that. And if we hover, the opacity is going to 80, like this. You can see, right? It's like so cool, and it's already done. And we're going to just copy from where, well, right here. We're gonna copy right here, like this. Close. You can just press it down 2 times. Okay, if it's done, then you can see right here, block 2 for designing and tips learning design, and it's alright, just that. And then for the last is block 3 engineering, then deep learning engineer. Like this, you can save and see. Okay, right here, you can see it's quite cool, right? You can click okay, and then we're gonna next contact. We're going to make contact. This next section with ID, contact, and class, padding top 36 and padding bottom 32. Like this, and enter. No, not from the section. That's from the container. Okay. Okay, if it's done, I'm going to close it right here. Okay, just until this. I'm going to erase this. Like this and save. You can see after this, I'm going to like this. Okay, so it's for contact, right? I'm going to contact, and then right here is contact us, and then I'll just change it maybe like this, and then if it's done like this, I'm gonna make the form like form like this, and then just close the action and then enter, and then make div class with width 4, and then if it's large, the width is 1 3 like this, and then the margin X is auto, and then you can make again a div class with 4, padding X is 4, and margin bottom is 8, and then we're gonna add label tag for name, and then we're going to make the class is text base, and then the font is bold, and then the text is primary. Okay, just like that, and we're gonna enter name, just name. Yes, right here, like this. We're going to see like this. Okay, name, and then we're going to add input tag, input, the type is text, and then the ID is name, then the class is width 4, and then the background is purple 2000, and then the text is dark, then the padding is 3, rounded medium, and then for focus it's the outline is none, and then its focus, the ring is primary, and then let's focus again, and the ring is 1, no, ring is 1, and then if it's focus again, and the border is primary, like this. It's already done. Okay, then we're going to make the other div like that too. It's like for text and email. Okay, just copy for that. Okay, we're copy from input this, not copy, just 1 3 like this. And then for the next, oh no, no, no. Okay, we're gonna, but before the label, okay, we're gonna, it's from this div, like this, like this. Okay, this is for email. Ah, the label is, yeah, for email. It might be, but no, it's just, yeah, for email. And then it's email, and the ID is email, the type is email. Yep. Okay. And then, yeah, if it's done, I'll make for the last is we're going to change this to text area. Text area, and then the name is, this is where the type is text. No, the type is, yeah, text, and then the ID is message. We're going to erase this. Yeah, okay, like this, and it's message. This is for message, like this. Okay, so it's something wrong. Ah, we're going to put this in the close text area like this. Okay, it's done. And then we're making for the button, so we make div with full, and the padding X is 4, and we're going to add button, and in button we're going to add send, like this. Right here, I'm gonna add class text base, and then the font is semi-bold. The text is white because the background is primary, and then the padding Y is 2, padding X is 7, and then rounded full, and then width full, and then if we hover, the opacity will be 80, and then we hover again, get shadow large, and then the transition, the duration is 500. Okay, so it's done like this, and you can see right here it's going to the center. Okay, you're gonna fill this like this. Okay, and then we move into the footer. This is for the last, and footer start, and like this, and we can make footer, and the class is, the background is gray. Okay, so the background is gray, 700. I mean, I'm so sorry. And the padding top is 24, and the padding bottom is 12. It's for footer, so it's kinda small. And then we make a container. Container. If it's right, isn't it? Okay. And then we're going to do the flex. So make div again, flex, and flex wrap, and then the text is white. Okay, then we make the begin with class width full, and then the padding X is 4, margin bottom is 12, and the font is medium. And then if it's in medium, the width is 1 slice 1 3, and then we'll make h2, and then just type IDN. This is my my campus, my polytechnic, and then h3 for like contact us like this. And then for the paragraph, we can add email, and copy for the other. I'm gonna type my campus where my campus is. Okay, it's in like this, and then this is to like this. And then we're going to make the class. The class is, the font is bold, and then the text is for Excel, and then margin bottom is 5. Okay, so it's the same. Just copy the class for h3, and this is 2, this is 2, like this. You can see like this. Then yeah, it comes out like that. And then we can make like the block category. You can open the block, and you can see. Okay, so this is for block. You can make a new div. It's class width 4, and then the padding X is 4, the margin bottom is 12, and if it's in medium, the width is 1 3, like this. Then we're going to add h3 like this. This is for block category, and then gonna add wall and lead and anchor tag like this, and the header is this. It's programmer, and you can just copy from lead. No, just add this class. For the class is, the font is semi-bold, and then the text is XL, text is XL, and then the margin bottom is 5, like this. And for all, and text gray is 3,000. Yes, 3,000. 300. Yeah, 300. That's right, 300. And make it the class is inline block. And then the text is base, basically. And if I hover, the text is primary, and margin bottom is 3. Yep, like this. And then you can copy right here. You can make 3 as usual. This is for design, and this is for engineer. Okay, you can see right here. Okay, it's Okay, it's coming like this. And I want to make the text gray. The class with text gray, you can copy and add in right here. I forgot. Okay, so it comes out like this. Okay, and then we're gonna make the div again with for, and then bx. Oh no. I'm going to just copy. Let's copy this to them. Okay, and then I'm gonna make it math category, and then this for home, and you can add home, and this is for about, and then it's for what again? What again? You can see right here. Portfolio, and it's portfolio, and then you can copy more like this, and then client, and then if you see right here, it can come out. Okay, it's home, and then we go to client like that. Okay, and then we're gonna make the other div. Right here. Okay, we make the div class with full, and then padding top is 10. This is for copyright. No, this is for, no, it's like for fun. It's for copyright. The footer, and padding top is 10. Border is T, and then border gray 5,000. 500. I'm sorry, I'm confused. And then we add the div class with flex, and then flex wrapper, flex wrap. No, we're not. We need that. Flex and item center, and justify center, and then margin bottom is 5. And then we just copy. We're going to copy this in about. Okay, into about, and right here the anchor tag. Oh no, the div class. Yeah, from this div, copy, then close it first. And we're going to copy right here. Yeah, I'm gonna copy right here, and then we're gonna add, what's that? Justify center, and then margin bottom 5. Okay, as you can see right here in footer, like this. Okay, what is that? Okay, like this. and then I'm gonna, and then right here, like in here, I'm gonna add text with like this, created by, like this. And I want to make the 8 is like anchor tag, the half is my Instagram, like this. And then the target is blank, and then going to the class is, the font is bold. If you want to see, I want to add my name right here. Okay, the font is bold, and then the text is primary, or just purple 300. Yeah, 300. You can see it's cute. And then right here, like this, with, I'm gonna make anchor tag again for tailwind CSS, http tailwindcss.com, and then the target is blank, and then the class is like this. And we're going to copy right here. I cannot. You can copy this right here, and it's tailwind CSS. Okay, it's done. Oh, the text is, we're going to add tailwind colors like this. Okay, it's going to be blue. Okay, you can see the final result right here. And yeah, look right here, it's already, oh, it's not done yet. I want to make it in center, so the tag P, I'm not make it, okay, tag P, we're going to style it with class font medium, and then the text is XS, and then the text is gray 300, yeah, 300, and the text is center. Okay, it's done. You can close it right here. Okay, as you can see right here, it's already done, and it can go to YouTube, it can go to Tailwind, going to my Instagram. It's the final result. Okay, and as you can see, this is right here, it's blur. Okay, it's about portfolio, clients, blog, contact. Okay, I think it's enough. Sorry for making like many mistakes. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.